Tailin MD500 Rapid Microbial Detection Analyzer utilizes laser-induced fluorescence detection. It utilizes a 405 nanometer laser light source, ensuring optimal microbial fluorescence excitation while minimizing laser damage to microorganisms in the sample. It also achieves a particle detection limit of 0.1 micron. The MD500 detects particles, including microorganisms, by measuring the fluorescence of microbial metabolites under specific wavelengths and the scattering of particles at specific wavelengths. It integrates a fluorescence signal detector and a particle light scattering detector within the laser light path. Signals can be detected and analyzed within 0.1 seconds. Tailin MD500, like a hunter in the microscopic world, delivers exceptional response speed, catching microorganisms unafraid. It enables continuous monitoring of bioburden contamination without waiting for plate counting results. This system is used to monitor microbial content trends in purified water, water for injection, and ultra-pure water in the pharmaceutical industry, and to strictly control microbial concentration in water samples for semiconductors, food, research institutions, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, etc. Real-time performance monitors current water system microbial status in real time with a response time less than or equal to 2 minutes. High precision detection counts individual microorganisms FU and displays contamination status in real time. Multiple signal outputs. Multiple signal ports output analog and digital signals for linkage with water systems. Responses of various microorganisms. It can measure 0 to 10,000 OFU per milliliter and is suitable for detecting all relatively pure water bodies in scenarios of microbial control. Simple operation. Full touchscreen interface for easy operation. No sample or reagent preparation needed for testing. Real-time warning. When the microbial concentration exceeds the expected value or alarm threshold, the equipment will actively send out alarm information. Non-destructive testing. Microorganisms in samples remain undamaged, allowing tandem connection with other detection systems. The main unit can be wall-mounted or desktop installed, requiring a stable and well-ventilated environment. The on-site water system is intact and operates normally and stably. Connect to the water system sampling port by a standard sanitary quick install interfaces. The online sampling module is made of high-temperature resistant materials, compatible with high-temperature sterilization steam or superheated water in the water system. One key startup function: verify that the sampling port, inlet pipe, and buffer tank connections are secure. Check for air bubbles in the inlet pipe and ensure the buffer tank has a normal water level. Once confirmed, press the Start button to operate. Activate testing on the interface. The status bar will indicate when the instrument enters the testing state. Parameter settings function: adjust detection threshold, alarm recording interval, number of continuous alarms, and pipeline flushing duration. Select inert particle and alarm line display status. View detailed alarm content by clicking alarm information at the top right. Data view function: view historical data by setting a time period and clicking query. Click trend chart to check microbial concentration changes and export data in PDF or CSV formats. USB drive required.